Greetings to you all. I'm Abdullah Tasis Rahmani, and today we are going to talk about the circulatory system. Now, what is the circulatory system? The circulatory system has two major things, and they are the blood vessels and the heart. This is the heart and the blood vessels. The blood vessels are the series of collecting and distributing tubes. So let's talk about the heart. The heart is a muscular organ, hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood. It's a pumping organ, which is situated in a thoracic region in between two lungs. Now let's dig deep into the heart. This is the heart. So actually the heart pumps the blood. We have this thing. This is the superior vena cava, and this is the inferior vena cava. What do they do? The superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava collects the blood of the bottom half of our body, and the superior vena cava collects the blood upper half of our body. It brings the blood from the nose, from these arms, from the fingers, from the brain, from the hair and all. Then when we collect the deoxygenated blood, impure blood, then it goes into the right atrium. And also, this is going to be my left side and this is going to be my right side. Actually, this should be my right side, but this is the left side and this is the right side. So it goes into the right atrium. From the right atrium, it passes the tricuspid valve. It has 3 cusps. I have only 2 hands. I don't have 3 hands, so that I cannot show. It has 3 cusps. It opens and closes, opens and closes. It has 3 cusps. Then it goes into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it contracts and ejects the pulmonary artery. From the pulmonary artery, it goes to the right pulmonary artery and to the left pulmonary artery. The left pulmonary artery takes the blood, deoxygenated blood, to the lungs. The left pulmonary artery takes it to the left lung, and the right pulmonary artery takes it to the right lung. So why does it go to the right lung and the left lung? So we're going to talk about that. It goes to the lungs to get oxygenated. It wants to get clean. It wants to get pure. We want to have pure blood in our body. It exchanges the oxygen and leaves the carbon dioxide, which is in the blood, deoxygenated blood. Then from the lungs, it comes back. We have 2, right hand the pulmonary artery and left pulmonary artery. They carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. Now we have 4 kinds of pulmonary veins. I have only shown 2 because the 2 are on the back side. Pulmonary vein, these are 2, the pulmonary vein. The oxygenated blood comes from these 2 veins, pulmonary veins. It goes into the left atrium. Then it passes the bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve means only 2 cusps. It has only 2 cusps. It's also called the mitral valve or the atrioventricular valve. It passes and goes into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, it contracts again and ejects the semilunar valve or the aortic valve. This is the aorta. It goes to the aorta, but oxygenated blood. Then the aorta gives the blood to the whole body. This is the process of the heart. And also, we have 3 kinds of blood vessels. The 3 kinds of blood vessels are the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. Arteries usually carry oxygenated blood, not towards the heart. It's opposite. It doesn't take it to the heart. It takes it away from the heart. And the veins carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Now, only the exception is the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary artery, these two kind of pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. And then the pulmonary veins, which we have four, which I already mentioned, they carry oxygenated blood. But what do the veins carry? Deoxygenated, but these four veins only carry oxygenated blood. But we don't have millions of them. Veins are millions of them, but these are only four. And the superior and the inferior vena cava is the largest vein in our body. So I was telling, we have three kind of blood vessels. The artery takes blood away from the heart, oxygenated, and the vein takes deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Now, you may ask a question, then what are capillaries? What are capillaries? Capillaries, as I already told, the arteries give blood even in a nail. But the smaller places where arteries and veins cannot reach, then we use the capillaries. The capillaries are used for taking blood into small spaces where arteries and veins cannot reach. So, as I already told, the blood vessels are the series of contributing and distributing tubes. So, let's revise what we have in the heart. We have the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, which collects blood. Then the right atrium, when the blood, deoxygenated blood from legs, thighs, and this bottom half of a body collects inferior vena cava. Top half of a body, the mouth, the teeth, the nose, the hair, this hair collects the superior vena cava. But deoxygenated blood, why do they collect it? To get it oxygenated. But we have more process going on to get it to the lungs. It goes into the right atrium. It passes the tricuspid valve, which has three cusps. It contracts and ejects the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood. Right? Arteries carry oxygenated blood, but only the exception is these two arteries the pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood. The left pulmonary artery takes deoxygenated blood towards the lungs, left lung, and this takes to the right lung. To get it exchanged with oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, like we took oxygen, gave it here, give it to the blood, exhaled carbon dioxide, which we had in the blood earlier. It comes back from the pulmonary vein, carries oxygenated blood. That's very good. We have four of them. Left atrium, bicuspid valve, mitral valve, or atrioventricular valve. Contracts and ejects the semilunar valve or the aortic valve, aortic valve, through the aorta, and the aorta has three tubes and gives to the whole body, from the head to the toe. That's all for today. See you. Bye-bye.